January 8, 2023, the bright moon is in the west before sunrise. Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars are along an arc from east to southwest after sundown. Photo caption: Sunrise approaches, July 3, 2022. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 7:18 a.m. CST, sunset, 4:37 p.m. CST. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Times are calculated from the U.S. Naval Observatory's MICA computer program. Sunrise is at its latest time. This continues through the 10th. The length of daylight slowly increases during January to 10 hours by the end of the month. Jupiter's Great Red Spot's transit times, when it is in the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere: 1:09 UT, 11:05 UT, 2100 hours UT. Convert the time to your time zone. In the US, subtract 5 hours for EST, 6 hours for CST, and so on. Use a telescope to see the spot. Times are from Sky and Telescope magazine. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Chart caption: 2023, January 8. The moon is in the west before sunrise, between Pollux and Regulus. An hour before sunrise, the bright moon, 98% illuminated, is about 25 degrees above the west horizon. It is in front of Cancer's dim stars, 10.9 degrees to the upper left of Procyon and 26.1 degrees to the lower right of Regulus, Leo's brightest star. Largely, Cancer is the seemingly empty space between Pollux and Regulus. This morning, the bright moon whitewashes the dimmer stars of the constellation. Mercury is speeding into the morning sky, after yesterday's inferior conjunction. Not yet visible easily before sunrise, the planet rises 21 minutes before sunup. Enthusiastic Mercury watchers can find it in a week, about 4 degrees above the east-southeast horizon at 45 minutes before sunup through a binocular. Evening sky. Chart caption: 2023, January 8, Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter are visible after sunset. Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars are strung across the sky from southwest to the east during the early evening. Begin at 45 minutes after sunset by finding Venus less than 10 degrees above the southwest horizon. Find a clear horizon in that direction. The evening star is quickly stepping eastward, moving toward Saturn, the dimmest of the four planets. Venus is 15.9 degrees to the lower right of the ringed wonder. Venus overtakes and passes Saturn on the 22nd. Jupiter is that bright star halfway up in the south-southwest at this hour. After the conjunction with Saturn, Venus moves toward Jupiter, passing the Jovian giant on March 1st. From February 20th through March 11th, Venus and Jupiter are within 10 degrees of each other. The two brightest planets together make a spectacular pairing. Chart caption: 2023, January 8, Mars is in the east near Aldebaran after sundown. Mars is farther eastward, over 40 degrees above the eastern horizon. It is retrograding in front of Taurus. This continues until the 12th. This evening, the red planet is 8.5 degrees to the upper left of Aldebaran, the constellation's brightest star. By 2 hours after sunset, the bright moon is above the horizon in the east-northeast. With the moon moving farther eastward, it rises later each evening, allowing for views of dimmer stars. Tomorrow, we'll check the dimmer background stars with Saturn and Mars.